So, morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Family Edwards is up. The boys are ready. Kiana's just chilling there, eating. Brushing his teeth actually. Nice, Kiana. What Pharrell doing? Yeah, packing his bag with toys, of course. Baby doing? Just looking nice. Yes. But anyways, we're gonna touch the road, so let's see how that goes, and catch you guys in a little bit. Just have a couple. Which one did we had? Oh, mochaccino. So for a vending machine, coffee tastes really good, baby. You gotta try it.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's the best coffee.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
It's hot. Careful.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait. Get some food on the market. Look, they have a bakery here too. Maybe tomorrow we do that first.
Yeah, we have to leave early.
So there, they have coffee, they have breads. I bet you don't pay so much as in the city.
No, right?
But okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Venice.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget, guys. So, babes, you're enjoying your day?
Yes.
Alright.
Having such a good day. Like the weather. Got a lot of nice pictures.
Alright. Yeah, Kiana?
Kids here. My husband. I have popsicle chips. Like, what more can a woman wish for? So guys, that was a day, and yeah, we're so beat up, so tired. Little guy's over there too, you know, he's pretty tired in his bed. Not gonna lie, you know, we did have fun, but we climbed some stairs. Like, God, I never walked so much stairs in my whole life. Yeah. You gotta walk stairs for your life. I don't think you could do that with kids.
No. It's
and
crazy.
the temperature.
And the temperature's
and
really
those
high.
steps.
And those steps.
Wow, that's crazy. Tomorrow we're gonna do the little islands around Venice. So
Burano and Burano.
wow, what a name! I can't even say it. I'm not gonna say it on camera.
Say it.
No, Murano and Burano.
It's just Burano and Burano.
Yeah, Murano and Burano. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
No, Pharrell wanted to say that.
Oh, Pharrell, you want to say that? Don't forget to put that the notification sign on, so when we'll have a new video up, you could also see it, you know. So anyways, guys, I want to wish you guys a good night and have
or a good day
or a good day or a good evening.
Yeah, enjoy your dinner.
And enjoy your dinner, enjoy your breakfast, or enjoy your lunch.
Say hi to your mom.
Alright guys, peace out, you know, stay safe, yes?
Deuces.
Deuces.